Hi everyone, Siavash here, and I'm glad to share some exciting updates with our JNAP integration with HighLevel. So, as you can see, we're getting the contact information and a ton more fields coming in through, which are extremely useful for all sort of automations that you want to do. Because as you can see, we have the total purchase, upcoming appointments, last book appointments, number of appointments that they've done, and a whole lot more in here. As you can see, it's more than like 40 uh, contact fields, custom fields that we are bringing in, mapping it from your chain, so you can do a ton of automation of the back of your integration. We've built a bunch of automations as well for you guys that you can have a look, just to give you an idea of like what the things that you can do. Now for you guys, agency owners, we made the integration extremely simple. So let's say you have a bunch of clients that you want to bring on. You just need to go to our app, and all you need to do is you add the location ID of the sub accounts that you want to bring in, and with the private integration key. All of this has a video in here you can click on if you don't know how to add those. And once you have that, you will get your specific custom menu link that you add to your GHL account, and it will look like something like this. So like this is a custom menu link that you add, and then your clients just need to click on this, provide their credentials, and the sync will start working ASAP. So super simple. You can add them in here, and you can also delete them as well. Very easy. As soon as you delete, the integration is going to stop and your subscription is going to cancel for that specific account. So that's it. It's super simple. Let me know what you think. Yeah, see you soon. Bye.